Good morning. Half 3. We've got half an hour.
Oh, you're filming, Jesus.
And then we got breakfast. And then another half an hour and then we get picked up for the airport. But we are off to the Galapagos. So, we're at the airport, but our shoes, oh, how does this tap even work? I've got all this crap on the bottom that we have to wash off.
This is ridiculous.
And then go back through the scanner. This is just all for the Galapagos because obviously it's protected and all that. But now I'm gonna have wet shoes. Yours weren't even that bad and she's asked you to wash them.
I just wet them.
Okay, righty ho, we are through.
Why did you just cover my face?
We are through. We're just waiting for everyone else. Are you excited? The bag's through. There's 2 girls that have got food poisoning, so I feel really bad for them because screw that. But yeah, we've got our transit cards. We had to wash our shoes off, as you saw. Excited. Are you excited?
To sleep, yeah.
Galapagos, here we go. We're about to get the ferry across the island. Who's excited? Who's excited?
Very much sorry.
We've got our first meal. Well, first start meal. Jack's taken all the cheese off.
Are you not? Can I have some of your cheese?
You can have all of the cheese, Hannah.
That'll make it 10 times better. Amy, stay there. This way.
We have spotted our first tortoise. Small one though.
But in this island we have just 2.
These ones are freaking huge.
The scientists say in between 150 160. The national park has around 55 years, so the programs are younger than that. You need another 100 years to know if they really live.
So that they can fit on top
Oh, that's cute.
of the female when they mate. Fuck, he's big.
He's gonna try to cross, bring it some space.
There's a tree there. Yeah.
They come to the highlands for 2 reasons. If you cut a leg the tortoise is not gonna die, so they can stay top of the day and you can eat little by little one.
We're about to go into some lava tunnels. You probably won't be able to see anything down here. But God, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, you can't pick up anything. This is so cool. So swap cameras because you can pick it up on my phone. But these are the lava tunnels. I don't know if you can see, but there's the tube, the original tube, and then there's another tube in here. Basically, the top tube is where the lava originally meets the air, so the last bit. So the bit out there is the oldest, and as more eruptions come through, it gets deeper and deeper because the lava river comes deeper and deeper. But this is obviously where it's in contact with the air the most, and so this bit, yeah, last. This one's the most recent one because it's the lowest and it's the newest tunnel, and it's very small. Oh, that's super cool. You cannot see it, but the whole upper tunnel is up there. And then that's the lower one. Well, Han, how'd you rate the tortoises?
Pretty cute.
Pretty cute.
Yeah, they're cute.
Rate them out of 10.
I mean, they're pretty cute for some old bastards.
Yep, up to 150 years young.
Oh, that was nice.
I know. We are currently leaving. We're going to go stop at a snack place, and then I'm pretty sure that's us done for the day. Okay, well, thought I'd show you our living quarters. This is the tent. They actually have mattresses, which is mad. And we just zip this up. So get out. This is what it looks like. Has waterproof on. But these are all the tents. Not bad. Okay, so quick last minute vlog of the day. I'm just sat on the toilet before I get to bed. We're currently around a bonfire. Well, not currently. But yeah. Not currently, but yeah, look. There's frogs everywhere.